What's up guys? Today we're at Adopt a Beehive in the Sunshine Coast hinterlands. Let's go meet Paula, the queen bee herself, and get up close and personal with some honeybees. Adopt a Beehive was established in response to the declining rates in honeybee populations. I have learnt so much in the short amount of time I've been here, and you can too. There are a couple ways you can get involved. Firstly, adopt a beehive, or you can take part in one of Paula's beekeeping workshops. But it is our duty to assert change because this is a massive issue. So what are you waiting for? Visit their website and learn how you can make a difference.
So I'm Paula West, the Queen Bee at Adopt a Beehive. It's really easy to adopt a beehive with us. Just visit our website, adoptabeehive.com.au, and you'll find all the information about adopting a beehive and any research that you'd like to do.